My name is Robert.
Hi, my name's Jacqueline Phillips.
My name's Gopi Rankin.
My name's Jess.
My name's Professor Andrew Mallard.
My name is Mel.
My name's Judy Savage.
My name is Dan.
My name's Judy Cornell.
My name's Vanessa.
My name's Helen.
My name is Aaron Chakira.
My name's Ian Cornell.
My name is Mike Eccles.
I am a technology-obsessed husband and father.
I'm a grandfather.
I love the outdoors, paddleboarding, tennis.
I am an athlete and business owner who has PKD.
I'm a nephrologist at Westmead Hospital and a clinician scientist at the Westmead Institute for Medical Research.
I'm a retired executive after retail careers with Woolworths and Westfield.
I'm a professor at the University of Otago in Dunedin, New Zealand.
I work as a leader in small startup technology businesses.
My younger brother was born with autosomal recessive PKD.
I'm also the inaugural chair of PKD Australia.
I'm an adult renal physician who works in Melbourne.
I'm an academic at Macquarie University.
I'm the mum of a son born with ARPKD.
I'm the office manager here at PKD Australia.
I'm an adult renal physician here in Townsville.
I'm a board member of PKD Australia and have been since we started in 2014.
We started PKD Australia with the aim of educating, advocating and raising funds to fund PKD research in Australia.
I can't believe it's been 10 years since our families started PKD Australia.
There are several standout moments over the last 10 years, but one of the most important moments was for me to meet Helen, Robert, Ian and Judy at Westmead Hospital. And we met one Friday evening and we talked about how we can improve the health of people with polycystic kidney disease.
In terms of standout memories of my work over the last 10 years, I think one of the biggest things has been getting involved with PKD Australia and getting involved with community and getting to meet patients, nephrologists, family and friends, and really understanding the greater impact of the disease.
Over the last 10 years, there's been three big changes on how we treat polycystic kidney disease in the clinic. The first and most important development is the listing of a drug on the pharmaceutical benefits scheme called tolvaptan.
That was the first pharmaceutical product that was able to give hope.
And this drug has become available from almost 20 years of research.
The fact that there is a drug that could actually look to limit the progression of PKD means that there will be more. And I think that in itself is incredibly exciting.
The second big change has been the funding of genetic testing for polycystic kidney disease.
So that every renal physician in Australia can test for it and the patient doesn't have to pay.
And the third big change has been the massive amount of research that's been undertaken.
There have been so many unknowns that have become knowns that have entered the field.
I'm impressed by the researchers who are so committed. They are all focused on trying to find the answer.
There's been many clinical trials, new drugs being tested.
The Australian-initiated IMPEDE trial, which is looking at the repurposing of a treatment called metformin.
Also research that we've undertaken at Westmead Hospital, we now have a better understanding that fluid intake is important in slowing progression of polycystic kidney disease.
It really excites me to see so many young people in the field where when we started we were told that there was one person who was interested in researching into PKD.
It's been amazing to see the transformation that has and continues to occur in PKD care and research here in this country, largely attributable to the unifying force that PKD Australia has brought to this space.
We've now finally arrived at the beginning of probably the most exciting time. We're at the forefront of new treatments, more effective treatments that can be started earlier and that will be safer, and that's what we can look forward to for the future.
I certainly want to congratulate PKD Australia on their 10-year anniversary. And it had such an impact in raising awareness and supporting PKD research in Australia and really raising the profile to an international scale.
I'd like to thank PKD Australia for the incredible job that they've done in driving research.
I'm very thankful to be a member of the PKD Australia Scientific Advisory Board and to wish them all the best after 10 years.
There's a more cohesive and strategic way that we're approaching improving the care and understanding and treatment that we're delivering moving into the future.
Well done to the researchers and to PKD Australia on their efforts over the past 10 years.
This is an exciting milestone.
I personally am sending love to everyone in this community who has supported us.
Clearly there is always much more to do, But we are very fortunate to have so many more supporters now who are helping us work towards achieving our goal.
We wouldn't be here without you, and we hope to continue supporting you and your loved ones over many more years to come.
A ridiculous vote of thanks to the founders of this organisation and to anyone who has helped out.
I can see great future ahead for the PKD community in Australia, but also the approximately 12 million people around the world who are benefiting from all of this research.
Thanks very much for all your help and support.